Dear students, in today's class, our topic is tense correction. As you can see here, tense correction means to write a correct tense form or to correct a tense. And tense correction depends on some of the time frequencies or adverbial frequencies or time reference of time when the particular action takes place. You must know that tense wise there are some time frequencies in the name of adverbial frequencies, or on the basis of time frequency or adverbial frequency a particular tense is formed. In your standard, time frequency means in your standard tense correction means tense formation, or tense formation means tense correction. Suppose there is an example to you. My father dash returned from Delhi yesterday. It is another most important thing that before any discussion you must know the question pattern, what in which form these are to come in your exam. So I'm telling you here that this is the format of a question in regard of tense correction. My father, there may be a dash, may not be a dash. Dash is not mandatory. So my father dash may be there or may not be there, but verb must be in the bracket of which the correct tense form to be written by you in exam. My father dash returned from Delhi yesterday. So suppose Delhi is here used as a frequency, time reference. On the basis of this frequency, you have to go through the tense correction or writing a correct tense form of the verb. So here, since yesterday is a frequency, we can't write my father returned, or my father is returning from Delhi yesterday. My father will return from Delhi yesterday, since it indicates a past action. And another important thing that we must know that yesterday is a frequency of simple past or past indefinite tense. Therefore, the tense formation will be my father returned V2 returned from Delhi yesterday. Similarly, another example is given here. Yesterday I not go to school, in negative sense. So yesterday, since yesterday is a frequency, it will be also formed into past indefinite. Therefore, the answer is yesterday I did not go to school. Similarly, tense formation or tense correction always depends upon some of the frequencies or time reference. Sometimes the time reference may be given, may be mentioned in your sentences, and sometimes these may not be mentioned. Suppose, for example, present indefinite tense. I am showing you here. Present indefinite tense is such a tense which also be formed on the basis of or with the help of some of the adverbial frequencies or time frequencies. For example, naturally is a frequency, generally, commonly, usually, everyday, frequently, always, never, seldom, often, rarely, sometimes, time to time, once a day, twice a day, thrice a day, once a month, twice a month, thrice a month, once a year, twice a year, thrice a year, whatever may be this kind of examples or formation of frequencies, So these are the basic frequencies used for present indefinite tense. Means if you get in time of your tense correction, if you get use of any kind of example of these frequencies, you must go through forming that particular sentence into simple present tense or present indefinite tense. For example, he usually arrives late. Here he usually arrives late. Usually is the frequency used here. Therefore, this arrive will be formed into simple past tense or simple present tense or present indefinite tense. Again, in case of universal truth or habitual action, as I told you earlier that sometimes frequencies may be used or may not be used, So, in case of universal truth or habitual actions, when the actions indicates that kind of things, there may not be used any kind of frequencies. That means sentences may be free from frequencies, but you have to mean that it is an example of simple present tense by looking at the meaning of this particular given sentence. For example, I go to school, suppose every day, everyday frequency is used. So whenever frequency is used, you can easily form it into simple present tense. But suppose there is no frequency given here. I go to school. So I go to school also will take the correct tense from like I go to school, because whenever we'll get this sentence, we'll mind that, we'll think that the speaker of this sentence, subject of this sentence is a student and his everyday's duty is to go to school, and whenever he does a duty, he does it every day, like going to school. Similarly, I go to school will be the correct tense form. That is clear? Again, another example of water flow down. Flow is given in bracket. Here there is a dash, So since it is also an example of simple present tense, present indefinite, because it indicates a universal thought, water flows down. So the correct answer will be water flows down in present indefinite tense form. So right, students, up to this. In the next class, we will discuss the rest of the things once again. Thank you.